Hi playgroup friends, it's Morah Sophia from PG3 and today we are going to be making a broom for Pesach to help our mommies clean our rooms. So you will need some construction paper or any kind of paper, a scissor, I have a hanger roll here, or you could use another construction paper or anything like a paper towel roll, anything that's a stick like this, and some tape, glue, crayons, pencils, anything you want to decorate it. So first we're gonna start by taking our construction paper. See, I put them together and we're gonna take it and fold it in half like this and put it in this shape, okay? We're gonna make it a long rectangle shape like this. And now we have to make the bristles to make it look like a broom. This is gonna be the bottom of our broom. So we're gonna take our scissors that we have, and now in school we have to be very careful. We learned don't put your fingers here, and we're gonna do it like we did in school. Open, close, and we're gonna practice doing our scissors. Okay, there we go. Open, close, and just keep making lines down the construction paper. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. You could do it fast, you could do it slow, and it's a great way to practice their fine motor skills and practice their scissor skills. Open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. See? And now I have the bristles of my broom. What do we need to do now? Let's sit and let's decorate it. So I have my markers here, and I'm gonna color. You can have stickers, you could have glue, and we're just gonna decorate it and make it pretty. If you have dot dots at home, you can use dot dots. And we're gonna just decorate it and color. Color one page. I have some crayons here. Blue and green and orange. Let's do some blue. Sometimes the kids like to take the crayons and dot it. They could do that too. Make little dots with it. And just let's decorate our broom. Because Pesach is coming and we need to get the house very clean for Pesach and take away all the chametz, all the crumbs. So once your bottom of your broom is decorated, you need to add the pole. So I'm going to take my hanger here and I'm going to attach it, take my stapler, press down. Let's see. Okay, one. You know what? If the stapler doesn't work, I'm going to use tape. I have tape here too. I'm going to tape it down. And now I have my broom for Pesach. I have a mop, I have a broom to help my mommy clean my room. I have a mop, I have a broom to help my mommy clean my room. 'Cause Pesach's coming, Pesach's coming, Pesach's coming very soon. I have a mop, I have a broom to help my mommy clean my room. I hope you all like this activity and have fun doing it. And happy Pesach. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.